Hi friends, welcome to TechTouch channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to fix right click keeps loading in Windows 11 PC. So before we start the video, please subscribe my channel for more latest video. First of all, you have to go register editor, right click on register editor, click on run as administrator, click on S, then double click on HKEY classics root, then here search directory. You can see here directory, double click on directory, click on background, double click on background, double click on shell ex, then double click on context menu handlers, then select first option, right click on first option, then click on delete, right click on second option, click on delete, then select sharing option, right click on sharing option, then delete also sharing option, then click on delete. After doing this, restart your PC or laptop, fixed your problem. So in this way you fix right click keeps loading problem in Windows 11 PC. Thanks for watching friends. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel.